this old camera, and well, it's not really worth anything anymore. And it seems a bit dirty, so I thought I'd give it a wash. So I've got this waterproof camera, and this camera. Hang on. There we go. So it works fine. There's that camera that we're recording with, and it's in the washing machine. So I'll just put that camera in there. I'll put this camera, keeping an eye on it. Alright, so I'll also put this light in there so that hopefully we'll be able to see what's happening in there. So let's do some washing. I've also got a camera here, so when I close it, I get that view. So next in washing is add some washing powder. Just sprinkle it on in there. Nowhere specific. Okay. So now we're ready. Rolling. So 25 minutes. Go. One more time. Okay, well, 4 minutes. Nothing much is going to happen in 4 minutes. So I'm just going to hit pause. Oh, right there. Open it up. Okay. So this is what's left in here. So the light did work. I thought it was been working by now, but this camera is this looks very clean. It's oh, sorry, I'm not sure if it's focusing very well. If I put it over here. Yeah, we've got some water log in there. It's a bit dented. But overall, let's see if it turns on. No, it doesn't look like it wants to turn on. Okay, I'll just check on this camera now. Let's see. Well, red light, recording. But I do believe it actually stopped recording at one point. Okay, so if you want to see this HP laptop go either through the washing machine or the dryer, just say in the comment section. This actually does work perfectly fine. The reason why I'm willing to do this is because, well, this is actually quite old. My camera doesn't seem to want to focus. There we go. It's actually quite old. It works fine. It doesn't have a battery, so I'll just run a power source into the dryer or washing machine, depending on which one you want me to put it in. I'll turn it on. I'll get it to run the operating system. If you want it in the washing machine, say if you want water or not. I personally think it will look more spectacular without water, because then it will have to put up with the ruggedness of this middle part, spinning it and wrecking it like that. But it's your choice. I'm leaving it to you to decide that. So like, subscribe, share, and check out my other videos. Thanks.